Hi guys, welcome back to the new Vue.js course. In this course, we are going to build a music player, right? So I'm going to give you a quick demo that what we are going to cover in this course. So this is our music player app. You can see this, it's have different kinds of animations. You can say that these are the animations, and then we have a app where we can add the different songs. So let's say I want to add a new song here. Let me name this. You need to mention the song name. Let's say example song. I'm going to say that example song 1, and then here you need to mention the artist, right? Let's say you can mention the Guri, or you can mention some others, whatever you like. And here you need to mention the song URL, right? So any of the music which is hosted on the internet, you can copy its link and paste it here, and just click on this add song. So it will add this song into your playlist. Click on that, and yes, you can see this song is added, and I can mark it to favorite, or I can mark it unfavorite, right? It's up to me. I can delete that song, I can play that song too. So now you can see this song is playing, right? So in this way you can store your songs, right? You can create your song. Let's say example song 2, then artist is still Guri, then its name, and so on things. So you can add the different here. Let's say example song 3, artist is still Guri, and song link add, and you can see this, it's adding the music in the playlist, right? Where you can mark this favorite, you can mark them unfavorite, you can delete the song, and you can play the songs too. We'll also add the functionality where we can pause that song. So we are going to build that kind of app, so it looks very amazing. So we are going to build it from scratch. We will build that from scratch. We will just use that design in our application. We will not design that this overall design, because we are not learning the CSS, right? So that's why we will get that design and then build a Vue.js application. So in the next video we are going to install the new Vue CLI application, and then we are going to implement that kind of functionality into that. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in there. Bye bye.